End screens are very powerful when it comes to awesome looking call to action. So today I'm gonna cover how to make an awesome looking end screen. Hello and welcome back to Tech Genius A. If you want more YouTube tips and tricks, start now by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Now, in today's video, I'm gonna cover how to make an awesome looking end screen just like these. So, to get your awesome looking animated end screen, we are going to be using Placeit. Placeit is an awesome website from which you can get all your needs for your YouTube videos and your channel. They have logo maker, they have designs, they have YouTube end screens, logos, and lot of other things also. So there'll be link in the description box below where you can get to this site and in this page. So to get your awesome looking end screens, go to videos and then click YouTube videos. And you can see that there's a lot of YouTube videos. And these all are intros. So this is my number one recommendation to get your awesome looking intro. Now to get your YouTube end screens, you can go here to the left side and you can see YouTube end card. Click on that and you can get all of the YouTube end screens here. I'll show you one. So this is thanks for watching video animation. See, it's very nice. There's another one. There's almost 70 options for you, 70 video templates. So there's a lot here. There are so many end screens here. You can easily pick one. So today we are gonna be using this video template, and it's easy to customize it. It will take some time to load. And here it is, our video template, our end screen. So we are gonna be using this end screen. So first we are going to go with the text here. So we will again play and we will stop it right here. So we can say thanks for watching. So we will change the font into a nice font. Let me see. Checking for a nice, I will go into saved and see Oswald. This is my favorite font. And it will loading the preview. So I will change all of these to Oswald. 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 And Oswald. So all of these are in the Oswald, and we can do so much other things also. You can see what there's a difference here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Watch next. And You can turn off the boxes on or off. If I click off, it will turn the boxes off. You can see there is no box at all. So we can turn that on for now. And we can also see the playback speed. And you can change the background here. And this is the text holder, that is this one. Thanks for watching. And these other details, you can change as many things as you want. So we can select other images from here to use our background for our end screen background, and we can upload our own image or video. So let me see if I can do something here. I will go with so we will choose this one for today, but this that let me choose this one. We can crop it also, and we will click this one, and we will click update slide, and it will take only a few seconds to be completed. And it has been completed. See what a good looking end screen we have got there. And we will change the color of the test holder to my favorite color. That's more standing. And there'll be a music here. Once we render all these slides, we can hear the music, but I will not select the music because we can later add the music in our video editor. We can also control our playback speed here. And I want to tell you that these all are paid templates. There is no free templates in Placeit. But I will show you how to get these paid templates for free. Just finished rendering. And now we will do the final render. After we do this, we shouldn't make any changes. You can see awesome looking animated end screen. And we can now download it. You can see download button, but we will have to pay money for it. It's $9.95, but it's very cheap. But I will tell you a way to get this for free. So to get this for free, you will have to make a free account. I have already made one, my account. I will log out for you just to show you what. So I have logged out and I cannot download this now. So we will have to make a free account, sign up. You can just fill your email, password, and you should click this I agree the terms and conditions and click the I'm not a robot, and you will have to make a free sign up. Then you will have to log in. So I will log in now and press login. So I have successfully logged in. Now what you will have to do is once again render all these slides. You can see our template is ready. So now you will have to click save draft. Click save draft. It's saving it into our account. And you can see it is already ready. And what you have to do now is right click and simply click save video as, and you can save that video anywhere you want. So that's how you can get paid templates for free. You can see it is already downloaded. So I am in my video editor. Now I will show you how to add your end screen. Now I will add my end screen and I will click OK. And this is my end screen. I will play this. You can see that our end screen is ready. Now our video is also matched. And after my lecture finish, the video automatically starts. So that's it. So that's how you make your own end screen. And make sure you go to place it and use it mostly, because there is a lot of things in there. And again, links to everything are in the description box below. See you in my next video.